In this video, we'll show you how to find ATM locations in GTA 5 online. So if you want to completely protect your cash after a massive heist, a successful business delivery, or just robbing a bunch of convenience stores, you need to find an ATM fast. Walking around the streets of Los Santos with more than $5,000 in your pocket is a terrible idea. So here, I'll show you the absolute fastest way to locate a machine anywhere on the map. Alright, so first let's use the fastest method in the game. This doesn't require you to stop your car or pause your game. We're gonna pull up your interaction menu. To do this, press M on your keyboard if you're on PC. If you're on PlayStation or Xbox, just hold the touchpad or the view button. Right at the very top of the menu, you will see an option called Quick GPS. Click into that and scroll through the options to the left or right until you see ATM. Select it and you'll have a direct navigation route straight to the absolute closest physical ATM near your current position. So just hop into your car and drive there. And as you can see, there is an ATM there. The next thing you can also do, if you want to manually look around the city grid to plan a route, you can use the landmarks that house these machines. Open up your pause menu, look at the legend index on the right side, and look for the store icon, which looks like a little shopping cart. Every single one of the convenience stores or gas stations across San Andreas like 24/7, LTD Gasoline, or Rob's Liquor is a guaranteed landmark for ATM. Just find the closest shopping cart icon, drop your custom waypoint on it, and pull your car straight up to the building. Once you arrive, look right by the main entryway. The ATM is usually bolted directly into the exterior brick wall immediately next to the front sliding doors. And that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.